Unscrew the screw. Expose the two ends covered by the buckles. Cut off the old leather. Take off the old leather. Peel off the yellow foam and headband top EVA. Peel off the EVA sheet that secures the wire. Remain the black EVA behind the yellow foam. Tear off the double-sided tape. Stick the included EVA onto the headband base. Press without leaving any gaps. Glue these 4 EVA pieces at the notches on both sides. Tear off the double-sided tape. Align the PVC with the black plastic. You can see that the PVC sheet aligns perfectly with the headband base. Stick both sides of the PVC sheet along the edges of the headband base. You can see a basic prototype above. Tear off the double-sided tape. Stick the new headband from the bottom of the headband base. Wrap the leather around the headband base, align it, and stick it firmly. Check if it looks refined and aesthetic. Tear off the double-sided tape. Secure the leather at both ends. Make the metal buckle cover the end of the leather. Twist and screw. And you'll get a brand new pair of headphones.